every car in the warehouse.
All them type niggas.
Stay prepped.
Yeah.
Sell shirts all summer.
Yeah.
Blue rags all summer.
Yeah.
Poolside all summer.
Yeah.
V12 all summer. Burn rubber. Burn rubber. Burn rubber. Burn rubber.
What's up, YouTube? Yo, this is the first video of my rebrand on the channel. So for anyone that's been on the channel before, welcome back. And all my new people, what up? This is the My J Builds channel. The first couple videos are gonna be a little crazy. I don't have my mic connected right now. It's in the bag right there, as you can see. But right now, yo, we're gonna meet TSM. I'm a little late, but we're gonna go to a photo shoot with Two Aspects. Shout out Two Aspects. And then we are going to a private meet. It's called JDM Meets. But this is my first POV drive. I'm gonna have this on the gimbal and showcasing the meet tonight, showcasing the photo shoot, linking up with TSM. But yeah, I just want to, quick breakdown of the channel. My J Builds. Make sure you subscribe. It's gonna have a lot of stuff to do, vlogging, car builds, modifications, stuff like that. Right now we're meeting up with TSM. When we get there, I'll let you know what's gonna happen, like where we're gonna go and stuff like that. I'm late, I'm like 8 minutes late, so I'll see y'all in a bit. We just got to the gas station. I went to the wrong location at first, but there's Adrian in his Lambo. We're gonna document our journey there to the meet. Should be lit.
Mine? Oh yeah, I gotta manually do it.
Oh, come on.
Oh, no, you're good.
Behind the scenes of the photo shoot. It's a beautiful car. Skyline. Alright, so now the photo shoot was done. Now we are going to the meet. JDM meet is gonna be lit. Alright. I didn't really record too much because I was talking to a lot of the my boys, everything catching up. So I'll be recording more at the meet. All right, see y'all when I get there.
There's the idea. I think they're gonna have rap battles.
No way, I wanna be.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Alright, I'll do it. What's the rap battle?
Towards the end, like what's the
Bro, I get sleepy, bro.
When does it end?
When does it end? Hey, why don't we go get some food nearby? Because I don't know if I could just be here standing for 2 hours, bro. You want to do the rap battle?
Look at the tires. Look at the tires.